Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to your daily update on Jasmy. I'm going to do a full update. I mean, there's quite a lot I want to talk about regarding Jasmy today, because yesterday, of course, I was well, not bearish. I would never say I'm bearish on Jasmy, but short term, I thought shorting was the best idea. But what I also told you is that I am waiting for some sort of a bearish breakout here, right? So the thing is that what you can see right now for Jasmy is that if you go to the higher time frames, and we talked about this yesterday as well, and that's also why I am turning a little bit more bullish on Jasmy. I'll tell you about that. But on the 12-hour time frame, for example, what you can see is that we actually, and this is a difficult thing, like we have resistance at 3.3 cents and at 3.15. And we broke above the level at 3.15, and we still have 3.3 as resistance. So what I said yesterday is that, all right, well, I think this is just what we've seen before, where Jasmy liquidates shorters, which we also saw. We saw short liquidations coming in at that top at 3.3, and then we'll drop back down. But now what you can see, and that's the interesting part, or at least that's what I think makes this more interesting, and also makes the possibility of getting some sort of a bullish breakout more likely. As you can see, shorts have been closed and the momentum is dropping down a bit, but the momentum is still very, very high. All right, the momentum is still up a lot in the last 4 days. Like I said, on the higher time frames, we have secured a bullish breakout, and the markets are also ridiculously strong. So it's foolish to call Jasmy purely bearish here. What I said yesterday is that, all right, well, if we get a bearish breakout here, which we never did get, by the way, I would short. So I have not shorted Jasmy. The only reason why I would short Jasmy still right now, which I do still think it's a possibility, but if you go to the 1 hour time frame and you take that into account and you combine that with all the other fundamentals I just talked about, I need to see some sort of a breakout here first between, let's say, 0.0313 in combination with a Bitcoin that's at least pulling back before I will short. And in general, shorting in these market circumstances is probably not the wisest idea. So whether I will do it for sure, I don't know. It depends. My price alert is set at least. But on the other side, what could also happen, and that's also, I have not talked about this yesterday too much, so I wanted to talk about it today. Due to the market circumstances and this bullish breakout, and then also the momentum to a certain extent, but the momentum, like I said, is dropping down a bit here. So I do think like the potential we have right here is that Jasmy breaks above 3.3 cents, and that we'll be able to rally up to that next price target at 3.75 cents. Like, this is a real possibility. We're basically just waiting for either 3.3 cents to break or 3.15 cents to break, and both are realistic due to the market circumstances and due to the past for Jasmy. But what we do need for this, like, I think the fundamentals, the technicals are good enough for this. The market circumstances are good enough for this as well. Now we just need some short-term momentum. And like I said, Jasmy does not have that short-term momentum. That's why, to kind of end this analysis, I am going to leave you with a 50-50. I think it's genuinely a 50-50% chance to either break above 3.3 or below 3.15. So keep an eye on those levels. All right, stay to the 4 hour time frame. Wait for one of those two levels to break. If Bitcoin starts to be bearish here, I would say it's most likely we're going to get that bearish breakout. But if the market circumstances stay like this, that 3.3 cents breakout is very well possible as well. So yes, I'm telling you it can go up or down, because that's the truth. But at least with this video, you know when to expect what direction. All right, so if you have any questions, let me know. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.